I genuinely I make what used to be a low budget meal some years back, maybe like a year or so. Smoked fish sauce used to be like cheap because you can easily buy smoked fish for like let's say 500, 600. Guess how much I bought the smoked fish? Just guess. No, it's not 700. I bought it 1.5. Mm-hmm. And when I saw it, I was like 1.5. Hey Jesus. I was surprised. Well, like I wanted to eat it. I've been craving it. So I was like, okay, let's take my money. Take it all. So for you to make this, start by frying your onions, your pepper. I like blending my pepper separate and my tomato separate. I don't know, do you? But that's just the way. I prefer frying my pepper first before frying my tomato. Then you add your pomo. I love pomo. You add your seasoning. I added my salt, my seasoning cube. It was just like, okay, let's just mix it up. Mix. I didn't add curry at the time because my dad is not a fan. Sorry, ma. And now, yeah, we adding our smoked fish, and I must tell you, mm, the aroma. Hey. Mm. No, 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 no. Everyone just smelling nice. Like that's just the best part about this. Yeah, that's why I used to love it. So, and I had to dish out the food of my family. I have like this. I mean, I have four younger ones. They really helped me in preparing this. I'm like, okay, let's help stuff favor. Don't worry, I'm going to wash the place. I'm going to clean. I'm going to help you with the tomato. I'm going to help you with the pepper. Oh, let me cut the onions. But last, they dropped the onions and they ran away. Like, it's